Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be making a fall path painting. So let's get started. I've got my drawing ready. Now using wax crayon, color the moon so that watercolor doesn't go on it. Start applying white color around the moon. Take the lightest shade of blue available in your palette and start applying that. Now use one more darker shade of blue. Then use the most darkest shade of blue and I'm using some violet too. Color the path using brown color. Try to make it look three-dimensional just like how I did it. Using green color, start painting the background. Make sure it doesn't go on the trees. Now take olive green color, place the brush vertically and start applying paint like this. As you can see, the road and the grass look 3D. For the tree's trunk, I am using black color as it is night time. Make 2 street lamps as well. Apply some orangish yellow color on the moon. Now start painting leaves on the tree. I'm using glass marking pens to give some more details. Using black and brown color, make shadow of the trees. This fall path painting turned out so beautiful. I loved it so much. I hope you all liked it as well. I will soon be back with a new video, guys. Thanks for watching.